So welcome back to a new video with us, Rainbow Stuff. And today we're gonna start a new sessions with me, Nadin. Now it's Let's Talk time and time to talk with Nadine. Right now we're going to talk about in the workplace. What would you like or dislike about different jobs? Keep watching us till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Rainbow Stuff. An accountant works in an office. An accountant works in an office. Who has the hardest job? The most interesting job? The best paying job? Tell us what you think. For example, who has the hardest job? I would say, for example, the doctor. And the most interesting job, I would say a flight attendant. And the best paying job, I would say an accountant or something like this. Now tell us your opinion. What do you think? We are going to mention different jobs and their workplaces. An accountant in an office. An actor on a movie set. A chef in a restaurant. A flight attendant on an airplane. A lifeguard at the beach, sales clerk in a store, an artist in a studio. Right now, maybe we can, or maybe we forgot to mention some other jobs and their workplaces. You can tell us in a comment below if you want to add something, some job and its workplace, and tell us your opinion. In the workplace, discuss these questions. Now we have a group of questions that we might discuss it together. Have you ever had a job? Yes, I had. What did you do? I worked as an English teacher. What did you like about it that they had so much fun during learning a new language? What job do you think you will have 5 years from now? Honestly, I don't know, but if you know, you can tell us. What job would you most like and why? I like English, so I like being an English teacher. What do your family members do? Well, I have 3 sisters and 1 brother, and they have different varieties of job. There's an accountant, doctor, an engineer, and different kind of jobs. Now, in your opinion, here we have a group of the things that might be important for your job. When you look for a job, you will focus on some points. Now we have a group of points that you might tell us what do you think is the most important one. Okay, a chance to travel, a supportive boss, an excellent salary, good benefits, friendly co-workers, flexible hours, a chance for a promotion, easy work, short commute. So for example, for me, I would focus on get an excellent salary, flexible hour, friendly co-workers, maybe a chance to travel. Now you tell us what are the things that are important for you to get a job. Maybe you will be focusing on get a short commute or easy work, good benefits, or other will focus on a chance for promotion. Now you tell us. In the workplace vocabulary, retired, which means متقاعد, retired people. ناس متقاعدين, retired. Unemployed, unemployed, عاطل عن العمل. The number of unemployed is rising. Unemployed. Interpreter, a person who interprets, especially one who translates speech orally. Interpreter, which means مترجم. Promotion, promotion ترقية وظيفة or ترويج the action of raising someone to a higher position or rank or the fact of being so raised promotion. Before we continue our video, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Rainbow Stuff. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are for the things we can count using numbers. For example, I can count something. I could say 1, 2, 3. There's 3 items of something. The uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. We cannot say that this is 1, 2, or 3 items of something. For example, like the liquids, powders, gases, and more. Countable use an A or an or plural S. For example, a carrot or 2 carrots. An orange, 5 oranges. Let's buy some oranges. I need a few apples. Now we use the S. We don't have a lot of carrots. How many eggs do we need for the recipe? So in countable, we are asking about how many, because we will know that how many. So we don't have any eggs. We don't have many eggs. We ask with how many. But for uncountable nouns, we don't use a or an because they really refer to one thing, for single thing. Or the plural S. We said fruit, soda, tea, meat, sugar, water, but we can't say 1 water or 2 waters. No. Let's buy some fruit. I need a little flour. A little flour. So when we say let's buy some fruit, we don't mean 1 banana or 2 apples. No, some fruit. I need a little flour because it's powder. And we don't have a lot of sugar. And the uncountable, we are using how much instead of how many. How much flour do we need for the recipe? We don't need any flour. We don't need much flour. There is some money on the table, and also the money is uncountable. Have we got any bread? The bread also is uncountable. But if you can see, how many chairs do we need? How many? Which refer to something we can count. So chairs. 1 chair, 2 chair. How much milk have we got? Milk is a liquid and we can't count the liquid thing, so it's uncountable. Now we have some related words that can be useful. For example, original idea, brilliant idea, unuseful idea, great idea, excellent idea. So we are focusing on the word idea with different other words. Original, brilliant, unusual, great, and excellent idea. Related words can be useful. Shot a film, edit a film, direct a film, star in a film, review a film. So we are focusing on a film with different words. That's it with this lesson. Hopefully you get a good information out of it, but don't forget to subscribe our channel Rainbow Stuff and give us a like and subscribe. Love you all. See you next lesson. Goodbye.